Hi everyone, this is Shop Your Home Spring DIY Decor Challenge hosted by Crafted Kitty, and we'll be putting together a simple bird nest. Hope you enjoy, so let's get started. You need 3 bowls, a large bowl and 2 bowls, 2 small bowls. After mixing your glue and water, you'll be using this mixture with your grass, jute or yarn mixed in this solution to form your nest. With your grass mixture, you want to cover the back of the bowl all the way around and then cover the bowl. When you remove the bowl, you may see empty spaces on top. So what you want to do is actually cover more grass on top, then replace the bowl and replace the heavy object. Then let it dry again, and then go back and check it again. If you see more holes, then you go to the third step. And this is your third step. Take a brown paper bag and cut a circle and then wet it in your mixture and then place back on the nest along with your second bowl on top. Once you remove it this time, your nest should be complete. Your bird nest should be very completed by now, with all the holes covered up and everything. And this is your results here. I would like to thank Crafty Kitty for hosting this challenge, and go over and watch all the other exciting DIYs with this challenge. And if you haven't seen my other DIYs in home decor, take the chance to check them out. I hope you enjoy seeing me put together this bird nest. Comment below and let me know. To see how I use this bird nest in my home decor, go check out my spring table escape. If you haven't already subscribed to my channel, remember it's free. Just click the button down below and meet me back here for more DIYs and home decor.